Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is SoirEkim, and today I'm going to be attempting to replace my alternator on my 2007 Chevy Impala. Now, I did take it to AutoZone. I got my battery tested and it failed. My warranty replaced it. I tested the alternator, had them do that, and it passed. However, it whines every time I'm accelerating. And that's a little more irritating than I want it to be. So I did order one on Amazon for around $96 or so. Ordered it on Tuesday, received it on Thursday, and now I'm ready to try and swap it out. So 2007 Chevy Impala alternator replacement. Let's check it out. Alright, so the first thing we're looking at is the location of the alternator. As you can see, it's right back here, and I gotta take this cover off. Pops off. The next step would be to remove the tensioner pulley from the belt. It'd be better to actually remove the two nuts. There's one here and here from the radiator fluid reservoir, so I'm going to take that off. For this next part, there's a bolt right here. I need to loosen this bolt, which, as you can see right down here, there's a location where I can put a screwdriver to pry it out in case I need to. And there is a set of nuts and bolts right there that I need to also loosen or release the piece. Now, as you can see, I don't have to take it all the way off because it's just a slight groove that needs to slip off. So I just loosen those pieces. There is a retaining clip on that plug that needs to come off to release the plug. And of course, the boot, which I believe has a bolt also that I need to remove. So let me take those off. Alright, in an effort to make it easier to get to these two bogusly hidden screws back there, right here and there, I have to remove the distributor cap just to shift it out the way just enough to be able to get to it. Alright, so I actually missed a bolt. There's one right there that I gotta take off. So I'm over here pounding on the thing, but there's just another bolt. Let's get that one out of there. Alright, so that's the old one. Piece of shit. If this is your first time installing an alternator on this particular vehicle, I recommend installing both bolts, the one on the left and the one on the right, at the exact same time. If you put one in, let's say you put the left one in first, the one on the right won't fit. If you put the one on the right first and the one on the left won't. You literally have to do them at exactly the same time, doing a quarter turn on one, then the other, then the other, then the other, and just go back and forth until they're about a quarter of the way in, or a quarter inch in, and then you can tighten them down. And that's that. So I'm on my way to work this morning, the following day. It's cold out. Got a good strong start off my new battery. I mean, I would expect that off the battery. However, maybe it's just me, but I feel like my acceleration is better. Like, there's no hesitation when I press down on the accelerator. The car goes. And I was thinking my transmission was going out. However, I feel like my car is performing much better. If you guys like this video, give it a like, press that subscribe button, share, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.